Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact support on Hotwire. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hotwire account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Hotwire? Pretty simple. Launch your browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type hotwire.com, and that's going to take you to this official website. In the official website, check the top right corner of your screen and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this window where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in Hotwire. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to contact support on Hotwire. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the Get the App tab, Support tab, USD, and Hi. So click on Support. That links into this extended menu that has Feedback, Help Center, Message Us. So message us, and it takes you to the small chat bot right here where you can now type your message. So in here, how can I help you today? If you need assistance with an existing hotel or car booking, please send me your itinerary number. Type in your itinerary number and let them know what you want them to do. The next step is feedback. So over here, so once you select feedback, it's going to take you to a window in here where you can now provide your feedback. That's need help with your booking, please contact customer support. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's it. So you need help with your booking, please contact customer support at this number. All right, and then for feedback on your hotel, you can use that form. So click on that form to reach out to them. So overall impression, please tell us about the online experience. Yeah, but that's pretty much not what we are looking for at this point. So that's that for feedback. And of course, we know the next step is help and help center. So select help center and it's going to take you to a window here. So you have this help center, these are the top customer questions. You can go ahead and find out all of those and come over here, this travel updates, Hotwire customer care, look at the number that you can say for support, text help to this number here and get in contact with our support service team through text messages. You can message us then by clicking on this messages button, and then you can even call them on this line. So this is pretty much the steps that you can take to contact support on Hotwire. You can go watch this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.